36 dispatch. Triple 36, sir.
Welcome back to another episode of Moto Crash. Today we are reviewing some insane clips. This happens when a cop accidentally hits a child.
Oh, fuck! Fuck! Triple 36 dispatch. Triple 36, sir. Start me EMS. Triple 36. It's okay. It's okay. Sir, we got EMS coming. Sir, we got EMS coming. Triple 36. Start me rescue. It's okay, baby. I got you. I got you. I got you. You just hit fucking 36 dispatch. I need EMS. We got EMS coming. We got EMS coming. Stop sign. I was going back to the single lane. Dispatch on the EMS forthwith. We gotta put him in the car. We gotta put him in the car. We gotta put him in the car. We gotta put him in the car.
The way she drives can literally injure someone. Car driver take a nap in the middle of the road.
Well, this doesn't look too good, does it? Nope. You all good? Hey, sir! Hey, sir! Hey! Pull over real fast!
Huh?
Pull over!
Okay.
Yeah, just... Don't hit my bike, don't hit my bike! You okay, bud?
Yeah, I'm on my lunch break. I'm at work at Mill Garden.
Yeah. Well, you fell asleep back there.
I didn't fall asleep. I've been up for a while, but
Yeah.
I'm at work, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm on my lunch break.
You were sitting there for a while. I just wanted to make sure you're all right.
Okay, yeah, I'm cool.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
This happens with the cycle pole where the bus driver jumps a red light.
As well, is it? What a wanker. Whoa! Calm down! You jumped the fucking lights! Hey! Hey! You jumped the fucking lights anyway! Fucking cunt! You look at the lights when they're ready to fucking stop! Fucking wank, no one of you girls stop, cunt!
Fucking asshole.
Whoa. No need to strap, bro. I have a back. This happens when this driver took a wrong way. Always try to avoid a fight, no matter how strong you are.
What the fuck are you playing at, you dickhead? What the fuck?
fucking working,
Come on.
dickhead.
Come on.
Fucking don't you
No.
if it's
Enough of this.
fucking done it.
Enough.
Done it out of work, you
Enough.
silly little prick.
Enough. Enough. Enough.
Take your hat off now.
Come on. No.
Take your fucking hat off now.
Enough.
Take your hat off now. Take your hat off
Get
now.
the fucking
Take your
net.
hat off now.
Enough. Come on.
Now, take your hat off.
Come on.
Take your hat off now. Get off now.
Your car.
I just said to him.
Start one of our mates fights with fucking
Come on.
Who you talking to that? Boot me, come here now.
No.
bum start fucking car.
Fucking start booting me and then fucking
Get the fuck off me, you little prick.
fucking little prick, mate. You're a lucky little cunt.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you like their clips and don't forget to subscribe. See you to the next video. Until that, hasta la vista.